Hello everyone, welcome to IEEE Wonderland. Today we're going to talk about app development. So John, what's your experience in app development?
My experience app development started around 2018 when I picked up Flutter. Actually, I picked up Xamarin first, then I moved to Flutter. Moving into Flutter with prior experience with web development, it was a smooth transition, I would say, and you wouldn't need much technical expertise to pick up this area to create apps. Actually, anyone can do it, even a kid actually. But I started off learning with UI. So UI is more of the user interface of the application, where it's something you see visually, but it doesn't do any functionality. So you can create an app that almost replicates apps like Facebook, Instagram with Flutter, and it's almost a very identical replica. Then from there, I move on to learning about backend services. So backend services are things you can do. You won't be in plain sight, but it'll be something happening on the background. Things such as maybe you like a post on on an image, and maybe you update from your screen, but it also updates on the server. So that's the bit of what backend is. And front end is something that you see visually. So this is the app that I made, and as you can see, it's a simple application. What the purpose I went into making this app began because of this kind of not really a problem, but something that could be improved on or innovated around: the process of handling inventory. So the process of handling inventory management is a bit complicated, and it requires some documents and tracing. So what we did was we created an application to track events of items being borrowed or taken, and something all you can see logged visually. And there's also transaction histories, so it's easy and traceable. Is there anything else more you want to know about the app or
Wow,
app development?
Interesting, John. Can you show us a demo of the app, like how it works?
Oh, okay, sure. So it starts off with the login page. You can either have an account or you can log in with Google. So if you log in with Google, you'll be automatically set to regular user. So regular user have these three interface. Me and my team work together on this. So there's an event page to show us our IEEE events, a Facebook page to show things that's posted on Facebook onto this app, and it has interactivity as well. And you can see it has like the time, the post. It keeps us updated with our events. In addition, there's also assets area. So assets area is something that we have in our inventory. As been showed, you can see the main point we're trying to show is that the apps can look visually appealing, and so there's interactivity where you can click and you can set amount and demo, let's say request, and there's a terms and condition you can agree to. I'll just put 5 for now, and then request, and then later on from the logistic account, he will see that this person requested this item, and he can choose to approve or reject, and this can all be tracked on the app. So it's very convenient, and it's run on the back end with Firebase, which is a service that helps you improve and scale your application in layman terms. Yeah.
Hey, John. For example, if like I also want to develop an app, but have no previous experience. What do you recommend?
I would recommend picking up web development first, but that's how I started off. But if you were to learn Dart, which is a programming language that Flutter uses, is also good because it's quite close to JavaScript, and JavaScript is very common in the workforce as well. So if you can see that whatever you learn here can be applied in work, and also you're having fun at the same time.
Wow, John, that is very interesting. Thank you for watching, and I hope you had a great time in IEEE Wonderland.